show some cucumbers. We are in California, zone 9B, and I think it's a good moment to start them outside directly on the ground. This garden, this section of the garden is quite sunny and very warm, so I think they're gonna be okay. So we are out of a risk of frost, and I think it's a great opportunity. I'm gonna put this variety is market mole cucumber, and I've tried them before and they were outstanding. The amount of cucumbers we had was enormous. So I'm gonna add 2 seeds, 1/2-inch depth. You put the seeds, 2 or 3. I'm gonna add 3 because they are older now and the germination expected from them could be less, and in case some insect interested in the seeds and munch on them because they are gonna be outside. Cucumbers don't like having their roots disturbed, so you either have to use one of those biodegradable pots or put them in the ground directly, which I think is best. Then if you want to have 2 or 3 vines, you have to space them around, these are quite vigorous, so more than 12 inches, I guess 24 inches. So we're gonna put in this trellis to I'm gonna show you how it look like. Then of course, as I always say, remember to put the tag so you Then after you've sowed them, what you need to do is wait until you see the true leaves coming out of a plant. If you get this from Botanical Interest, it's great because they have the drawing, the art of what the seedling should look like. Those are the tiny Cotyledon leaves, which when the plant is tiny, it's gonna be fed by those. But once the true leaf appears, they are like independent and they start photosynthesizing. That's a hard one in English. As I was saying, when you get the 3 true leaves are in the plant, you can thin them out and just leave one plant. You usually pick the one that looks best. So I've got those 2. I have a 3rd variety that I want to add over there, and then germination might depends on the weather, how hot it is, the temperature of the air and the soil. The warmest it is, the shorter the germination period is gonna be. So it takes around 8-10 days, and the cycle of these 2 varieties is of 60 days. I hope you enjoy this video, that you can grow cucumbers and enjoy them during the summer. They are great. We love them. We enjoy them a lot. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you would. I have a Facebook group where we share tips